listen. Box. I think that's good, right? Now let's add some seats. No, not only floor, only thing we build. Yeah. Now, okay, go down here. Can you sit? Yeah. Let me see. Yes, the steering wheel here. That'll be good. We have no door. Then this lucky chest. And this extra lucky chest. And then, what else do this? A big ass seat. Yeah. That's some more box. Some footage. I got empty. I'm counting boxes. Let's find the seats. Yeah, wow. Yeah, I'm just oh, this one. Oh yeah, this will be a oh yeah, one. Okay, yeah. Now we just wait. But yeah, we have an engine. We have to control the engine. Use the automatic. So yeah, you have to control it like that. So it's easy though. And I can press this. So I just avoid the block. The blocks. No. Since I have an engine, you can make it fine. Yeah, that's why I have to block them. It kind of like a thing because it hits. Yeah. Oh, no, careful. Oh no. No, that's the wrong move. Oh no. Oh, I saw that James. We go in the opposite. We go in the opposite way. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? I can't see. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where are we?
I don't know. Oh my god, what is going on? Mama, you're still surviving? Yeah, you're nearly there.
That was that was.
You killed me though.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. I come back to life. Something? No?
Oh no. Okay, now you gotta reset because I don't really know where our flag is. Yeah. We both will reset that one. Okay, we got 16 gold along. Okay, so let's build another idea.
Where you at, bitch?
I'm right here. Mama, you gotta go up. You gotta have hands on the screen, thumb on the screen. And then you gotta move with this finger too.
You out of the world or something?
No, I'm right there. I'm right here. Okay, what should we build now? I don't know. Okay, build something. Oh, I'm buy myself. What should we buy? We can't buy that. Oh, you wanna buy? Let me see. What's your budget? Yeah, I can buy something. Okay, I can buy something. No, it's 250. Okay, we're gonna buy it enough. Okay, no, let's do from this. Let's build now. Mama, press the hammer thing. And then press on the block. Oh, press on this little cube thing. No, not that. This way you get to see all of the blocks. And what you have. Now we make up something with this block. Okay, now we make like a house. A protective house. That's how you don't see house online, but that's how you gotta build up. Okay, now I build house. Oh, Mama! You're falling recklessly! You gotta put them in order. I have them in order, you put it in order. This is not how you make a house! You're giving us more work to do. Just build in between my lines of what I'm making. I'm trying to fix your mistakes. Well, it's definitely not catching us with this. The rocks and stuff. It took forever. Mama, how are we going to survive on this half-built shit? Oh no. Make sure to put them in between my lines. Fill in the spaces that you made. Oh my gosh, what is 6 blocks left? Oh my god, what is my mother doing? I still have 7 blocks left. No, we gotta build more. Don't worry, I have more blocks. I'm going to build a roof too. When I have so much UBCs. Not to a nobody place. No, not to a nobody place at the end. No, that is to at the end. Oh, I don't have to edit. Build up on those things. No! It's in the air! At this point, I don't know what to tell you. We just place him. Now this house is gonna be extra secured. Oh, you're maxed out again! Okay, let's add more blocks. I don't know what's going on with those back keys here. Mama, that is a strong block. You need to use it wisely. Not in front here though. We need to be able to see if we're making a house. Or if this even is a house. Oh my god! What is going on here? I don't know if she knows best in games. Oh my gosh, we're maxed out. Yes. Okay, I have one of this. Shut up. No. You are the queen here and the princess. So let's put this and stuff for you. And then let me also put 4 of these. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Right there. Now we got cannons to blow up some boats. Oh no, that's I'm good. I am so sorry. Oh no. Oh my god. I don't think that's gonna be anything. What? Oh oh my god. This thing. No. Oh my god. I don't think I can do it. Put it. Yeah. Okay, now let's do it. Oh my god. Just now. I don't want to do it because I just don't have to do it. Okay, now there's the 5 blocks. Use balloon first to work. Okay. You can lock that. Let me see what it does. Use parachutes. That might help, I don't know. Now you can add whatever you want. A button. Some music. I still have 18 blocks left. What am I doing with this? Oh my gosh. Yes, mama. Perfect. What are we making? You have more items than me because I used to work on the Forever Clean more. Okay, I'm going to place a door. That's if we even need it though. Let me protect you with this door. So the door will get damaged. And not you. These chests will get damaged instead of you. And me, I will be right behind you. Yes, these chests will also protect you. Mama, don't build yet. Don't launch yet. I'm not done protecting you. Mama, look at how much I am protecting you. Look at how much I am protecting you. I don't even know what this is. Okay, let me put my thing in the back. My generator. What did you open? What are you opening? Oh no. No, my seat should be right here, just right behind you. Just in case. Woohoo! Okay, I think that's all. Wait, let me get a camera. That's all I have. Oh, one more camera. Yeah. Alright, mother. Oh, what the Jesus? Okay, time to get on your throne. Time for you to get on your throne. Okay, so you're controlling one? Get out of building mode. Oh no, I'm controlling the kingdom. Oh, you controlled it last time. Wait, you want those? Oh shit. No, you don't gotta waste out all the blocks. Okay, time to launch. Oh my god, most of the things fell. Okay, so just don't jump out, because if you do... okay, so this time I'm controlling... Oh my god. All the chests fall down. Now look, it's colliding along with me. No shit. You enjoying that food now? Oh my god. No. Oh. I forgot I could do this. Yes. Oh no. Why is it kind of hard to control this? What the hell? I didn't even do that. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Ah. No. Oh my gosh. There's no stopping this unless. Oh no! This looks easy, but it's. Oh my gosh! Thank God I got that door to control. Oh no! Oh my God! Please fish. Oh no! Oh my God! No! What do you have? Oh no! Oh my God! No! Mama, I'm not controlling it anymore.
No, stop.
Oh my God!
No.
I can't.
No.
Okay. Oh my God! I'm back at. Oh my God! Oh! Oh my gosh! I actually dodged that for once. Okay, well that's a random. No, it's not. It's a kid, Mom. Why are you saying that's a kid? Most people on Roblox, it's a kid.
Random nigga. Oh shit!
It is. Oh no.
When you put it, you put the same way out matter?
No.
But then you go into water.
No.
What's the start? You put two rockets on the ship. When Nico there?
Nico isn't watching us. He's quiet at the start.
Nico said he had joined the bomb class boat ride.
Oh my God. Let me see it. Oh my God. What is going on? We gotta get out of here fast. Look at that. Oh God. No. Oh my. Oh my God.
That's how my.
What do you have?
That's all.
Oh.
I'm like, oh my God, Batman. I don't think so. He's dead. He's dead. That's a lot. I'm mine that.
Okay, so where the hell is Nico? Okay, we got 56 gold.
Nico said he had joined the team, ain't there?
Okay, I don't know. Let me check.
Nico there.
Oh nah, he on a different team now. He on his purple team.
Okay.
What, Nico?
The purple team that.
I mean yellow. Sorry, not purple. Mama, come on.
What team you on?
Black.
Stop up.
Your favorite color.
So why didn't why you asked to join the team if you was going for yellow? You're a traitor. And I press yes, over here, the bomb clock Nico to cuss you out. Nico, with the bomb clock you there. I'm not texting Nico there, hold on. You see me can get people come join the team.
Okay, let's go.
That's no.
Mother.
Look what's up Nico first, me say the bomb clock. Nico, with the bomb clock you there. Hold on, listen.
Now you should see what people are doing in public bathroom.
The fuck? What talking about?
Bomb clap. Don't forget this.
Bomb clock you there.
Don't forget this Roblox tags. I don't think you can do it now. Nico, I win the bomb clap.
I'll try the team.
Mama, zoom in. This is to zoom in. No, that's too old.
So this person here with the EST division, them on the team then, they're not black.
No.
Them grey then. So we
Yeah.
that team by themselves.
Yeah.
And then that red and that grey and all of them by themselves.
Yeah.
Them very dirty. So we don't come together and make one team.
After this, you want to play a different game? Yay! Okay, Mama.
I can't bother with this shit, you know, I'm tired now. I run like a robot in all the trees. But I'm a Jamaican ancestor, them I say bomb clock fuckery.
You want to leave this game?
Yes, it'll be very nice.
Okay, let me leave.
Yeah, I'm fed up now.